To view the logs of a container, first of all we will list the container using command. So from here we'll copy the container ID, and here you can see that it is running. Now we will use another command, docker logs -f, and after provide your container ID. So in the output you can see that these are the logs of Nginx container. Now I'll go to the browser and refresh the page. So as you can see that here new logs are generated. Yeah, that's how you can see the logs of any container with the help of docker command. Yeah, that's it from my side, and thanks for watching.